In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a roof plane. The roof plane that I'll construct is going to be over this rectangular space here. And what I'm going to do is trace the space, but I'm going to make my roof overhang a little bit wider than the room itself. So my current layer is this mass layer. I'm looking at my model from above. And what I'm going to do is make a rectangle that snaps from the corners of the room. Okay, so now there's a rectangle drawn there, and I can highlight it by hovering over it, and I'm going to make it 12 inches bigger than the room itself. So I've used the offset command, and my offset distance is 12 inches, and I've erased the inner rectangle. Now what I want to do is find out where it is. I'm not sure if it's constructed at the ground level or up higher, so I'm going to go to the front view, and I can see a little bit of it right here, so it has been constructed on the ground plane. This is my floor level right here. So what I need to do is move it up to the top. Now I want this plane to be not sitting directly on the surface up here. I want there to be a little gap between the roof plane, so it'll be sort of floating up here like so. Let me show you a diagram. Here's what it'll look like in sections, so you can see it overhangs by about 12 inches. So what I'll do is I'll move it up. I know it's 12 feet here, and then I want to leave 2 feet of gap, so I'm going to move it up 14 feet. I'm in the Move command. I've selected my object. As I usually do when I'm working in 3D, is I try not to snap to points if I don't have to. So I'm going to click a point up above. I'm going to make sure ortho is on, and I'm going to input a distance of 14 feet. So now I have this rectangle, and it's sort of floating in space. And I'm going to move around here a little bit. So here's my plane right here. I'm going to go back to my top view, and I'm going to use the extrude command by typing it or selecting it from the ribbon, and I will make this a 12-inch roof. Go back to 3D view, change my visual style to conceptual, and there I have this floating plane. So what should happen is some light will penetrate through the sides of the space.